No, my child, वो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. No, just change my child from this to this. I don't have word to explain.
हाँ.
क्या जर्नी है.
And I think a lot of parents feel that therapy तो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होती है.
We really find Ekta ma'am like a god, you know. She just recognized कि क्या issue है. I just found the positive result. को आने मत दो घर पे. वो खेलता नहीं है, वो उछल कूद करता है, वो सारे सोफे पे जंप करता है.
अपने नॉर्मल एज के साथ इंटीग्रेट तो हो जाएगा, ये नॉर्मल स्कूल तो जा पाएगा.
I was so worried.
So scared and so worried.
You guided me, and within a 1 year span of time, like here's this to this.
What has your experience taught you? Are you happy that you took that decision at that time?
Yeah, I am so happy. He's telling, Mama, आज we read ABCD 1, 2, 3. Like I came to Ekta ma'am at the right time. Team, what you are having, they are just genius. They are gem, you know.
Thank you, Anu.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hello, everyone. Today we are here with a very special parent, a very strong woman, an example and an inspiration for so many other mothers of children who are who have issues, sensory issues, or comprehension issues, attention deficits, and how she has overcome that to now today be the parent of a child who is properly integrated with his age and performing wonderfully well in school and in every sphere of his life. Hi Anu.
Yeah.
Welcome. I'm so happy to
Thank you,
have you
Ekta
here
ma'am.
for this
Thank you
podcast.
for the appreciation. Like you are telling me, I wasn't expecting that this day will come and I will be sitting here and we will be like enjoying his charm, what
Yes,
he
yes,
just
his success,
came
his-
across, right?
True.
So this is a moment I cannot express. Can you see? I cannot express. I'm so happy, so happy.
And as a professional, you know, it is a victory for you,
Yeah.
and it is a victory for us.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
when we see a beautiful child's life falling back on track,
Yeah.
that is immense satisfaction for
Yes,
us, you know.
yes, really.
And that is when we feel that all our hard work, all our education is worth it.
Yes.
You know, that's the moment when we feel that it's all been worth.
Yes.
You know, studying for so many years
Yeah.
and putting in so many hours of work because a child's life has been
Yes.
impacted positively.
Yes, it was.
So
yeah.
I'm equally happy to be sitting here today
Same
and
here.
having this conversation with you.
Yes.
And that reminds me of the 3-year-old or 4-year-old Kavish who'd come to us for the first time.
Yes.
And
The day one journey was like, I just told ki I just want to quit because he's not able to continue. So ma'am, I think we should quit. I'm okay with the child what I'm having. You only said patience, because this journey is totally dependent on patience.
And you know, he was not leaving you for
Yeah.
a second. How he used to go into a meltdown
And today, can you see, I just came by telling him that Mama is going for some work. Just be calm. I'll be coming in sometime. And he said, okay, Mama,
Yes.
I'll be waiting for you. So this is the change. What I just want to share.
Yes, true,
Like,
true.
this is unbelievable. Like, within a span of 1 year, I couldn't expect. I will, like, what to say? I don't have words.
You just bless us. And I'm
Yeah.
happy for that.
Like, I will be like doing whole of my life. Just change my child from this to this.
Thank you.
Nobody can recognize that he was at that stage. If somebody is telling, like, really, he was delayed in speech, really, he was facing occupational, like, the sensory issue, really. They're shocked. Even his teacher, you know, class teacher, he said, really, he was delayed in speech? I couldn't find, like, so this is a great gift from your side. You only supported, your team has supported.
Thank you so much.
This is the first time I'm coming to any therapy center or anything, like, where I just found a positive result. I wasn't expecting, and this is a miracle which happened to me.
Because actually you also put in all the effort. You listened to everything I told you. Every bit of home plan that I
Yeah.
discussed with you and I told you, you actually bang on sort of executed it. You put in that kind of hard work and you were all the time following every instruction and you were very regular. So I think all that
Yes.
is equally important.
Yes.
Because we can just do that bit
Huh.
when the child is with us in the
Yes.
center, but the rest of the time it's the parent who's working with the child, you know.
Yeah.
So you have to actually follow what we tell you.
But we do need a guideline like which you gave. Otherwise, like we would have done with our own. But we need a therapy centers like you are running, right? Then only we can add on to that. So you just guided me and my child, and I was following the same instruction, whatever you were telling.
At home.
So, but for that, I need to come to you, right? Otherwise, I would have gone through YouTube and many channels are available, right? But this is not a solution. You need to come physically. You need to just face the challenges, and you need to recover. For recovering that, you need to take therapy.
Of course, of course.
Everything like, see, I would like to give you one example. People are telling like you can cook from seeing YouTube, but this is not a fact, right? Why people are going to classes and all? So the basic thing nobody will tell you. Either it is YouTube, either the flirting videos which are running on online. So for anything, you need to visit a exact place where you need to be.
That's
We are not a teacher, we are not a doctor, so we need to go there.
That's true.
Yeah.
We do our bit as professionals. We do our sort of our expertise. our knowledge.
Yes.
And at the same time, we advise the parents what has to be done at home,
Huh.
which is the home plan, which the parents have to.
And one thing more I would like to suggest, never ignore your child if he is facing sensory issue, if he is facing behavioral issue. So don't ignore, no, my child, वो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, no. This is a reality you need to face, right? And you need to work on that so that you can recover your child as soon as possible. So never test and trial anything by seeing a video or anything. Just go to the therapy center where he supposed to be at right age, right time, so that you can come across with a happy face at right time and right age. What I am doing. Many parents, many friends of ours, they told us कि अरे ठीक है होता है, दिस इज अ नॉर्मल, हो जाएगा एज के साथ. बट आई सेड नो, दिस इज नॉट अ नॉर्मल. अगर वो नॉर्मल होता तो वो डिफरेंस होता ही नहीं. So this is what I just came across about your center, and I thought, I had discussion with my husband. I said नहीं, I will go, I will take therapy. Otherwise कुछ भी नहीं होगा. It will come across a blunder.
बिल्कुल. तो बहुत से पेरेंट्स यही गलती करते हैं, डिनायल में रहते हैं.
Yes,
अपने आप ठीक हो
yes,
जाएगा.
yes, they're
And
doing.
उसमें बहुत crucial और important काम
हाँ
किया
जी.
जाता है.
And many things, like I have a friend whose child is same, like she is hyperactive, she had delay speech. I recommended her, but the parents, they told नहीं हो जाएगा. So this thinking should be avoid. Yeah.
And how did you come to know about us? Because at that time I remember we were not even doing any kind of marketing or
No,
publicity.
nothing.
So how did you come to know?
I just came across, like that day was really, it was a big pressure for me. I just went to my child preschool PTM, and they told me about his behavior issues and other issues. So I was very tensed. I just came across, like I just came to my home. I just discussed with my husband what to do. Like we need to consult a doctor and all. We went to a doctor. He said ki you need to go for occupational therapy. But we were not aware ki kaun sa occupational therapy, which center we should visit or where we should go. So I was very confused. And this is for the first time I have heard such kind of words.
Right.
This is not normal, right? And this is not normal for a normal parents. So we just went to search nearby places and all, and I just Google it up, and I just came across TNDC. So I just said कि चलो, let's give us a trial. ठीक है.
It was very close to your
हाँ,
house also, so you must have thought,
हाँ.
let me try.
But apart from that, I said my husband को कि we will not stick to this place, right? We will go, we will check. Let's check it out. And both of us, we came, and we really find Ekta ma'am like a god, you know. She just recognized कि क्या issue है. We were not able to speak. उन्होंने बोल दिया, आपने बोल दिया कि ये issue है. And we said, she caught. Like it means she knows कि issue क्या है. तो I said, nahin, she's the best. I'll continue. I'll start from this place and I'll come in some days and I will say, ho gaya, khatam ho gaya. And this is a dream.
True.
She came through.
You know, that is what struck me.
Yeah.
From the first day, you were so positive and you were so clear that I have to get my child out of this.
Out of this. I said, nahin, I will take it.
And you know, so you had your ups and downs. I remember those conversations we had so many times when you were feeling very low, frustrated. So everybody, we are all humans, you know. So we go through that, but you were still very clear. I have to get him out of it.
And
you know?
you might be remembering, one day, he was screaming so much. I was about to cry. You know, we just came for his session, and you said, both of you just come to me. Then you counsel both of us, and after that I just tried your test and trial method, whatever you guided me, whatever you told me, and within a week I found the changes. So I was thinking कि मुझे क्यों नहीं पता था. Then I think यार, she's a doctor, you know, so she knows, she has experience. हमें नहीं पता चल सकता, otherwise we would have opened such a therapy center, right? So this is what nahi. Whatever she will say, I will follow, and I will follow each and everything.
And actually, पता है जब आप खुद results देखते हो, then you start developing that faith, that confidence, and then you start sort of working so much more because you know you're seeing the results.
Yes.
And that sort of gives you that motivation to
You only tell, you only told us कि अभी हम 6 days करते हैं. I said okay. I just used to come each and every day. नहीं, मेरा बच्चा ठीक हो जाए. I was struggling a lot. Within a month, within a 2 month, 3 month, जो across, it was going across, right? He started showing improvement. And you guys only told कि नहीं, improve कर रहा है. Then we made these days lesser. We have converted to 4, to 3, to 2, then one day a week. So then we finished this. So this is what I'm telling कि everybody of us should follow. आप कहीं पे भी जाते हो, any center, just follow whatever instruction जो आपको दे रहे हैं. So this is a first and last thing you should follow.
And I think
because you're the expertise, you know, your expertise in your area, so you know that.
And I think a lot of parents feel that therapy तो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होती है.
Yeah.
It's a never-ending process.
And apart, they don't have patience also, right?
Yes, they don't have patience.
But patience रखना पड़ता है. You have to keep patience. I had starting में I thought कि 1 week हो गया, 2 week हो गया. Then we had conversation, मैम इतने जल्दी नहीं होता है. This is taking time. Oh, I said okay. अच्छा, I thought कि 1-2 महीने का प्रोसीजर है. तो यू सेड कि नहीं, इसका कोई टाइम बाउंडेशन नहीं होता है. इट डिपेंड कि आपका बच्चा कैसा रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है सामने से. जो चाइल्ड वाज रिस्पॉन्डिंग, सो इट हैपेंड. सो इट डिपेंड. एवरी चाइल्ड इज डिफरेंट, एवरी पेरेंट इज डिफरेंट, हाउ दे आर टेकिंग थिंग्स. सो इट डिपेंड अपॉन पर्सन टू पर्सन.
So what were your struggles? क्या घर वालों ने समझा कि कविश की क्या दिक्कतें हैं? What kind of problems is he facing? What was your journey as a parent?
Journey, like starting में we were struggling. Neither your neighbor, neither your friends, they were not accepting Kavish. You know, whenever we used to go to birthday party ना, वो क्या करते थे? They don't used to play with Kavish. They used to tell, नहीं ये आ गया, भागो. So we were shut, like हमारे आगे कुछ, we were blank. Why these children, they are treating him like this? Why other parents, they are treating him like this कि उसको आने मत दो घर पे, वो खेलता नहीं है, वो उछल कूद करता है, वो सारे सोफे पे जंप करता है. तो I just really face such kind of experience. Like even my good friend of mine, my best friend, they used to come to me, right? और जब मैं बोलती थी कि I will bring Kavish, तो they used to ignore me, you know, कि नहीं नहीं हम कहीं जा रहे हैं. और even my neighbors, they used to tell कि ये तो बैठता ही नहीं है, ये तो हमेशा जंप करता रहता है, he is jumping to kitchen में प्लेटफॉर्म पे ड्रॉर्स में चढ़ता है. तो I said he is a child, he will take some time. तो I really face many ignorance from the society. मतलब society is not easily accepting such kind of child. तो वो हमने face किया. Now अभी we are able to sit. Even my relatives, my sister, they telling हम तो नहीं लेके जाएंगे. He will run यार. Who will? I don't have energy to run behind him. तो this is what I face. Park में भी if even I am taking him, so I was exhausted running behind him. Even I just tell my maid, I just change number of full-time maids, you know, the caretaker whosoever I used to appoint when I was working. So they just after 2 days they used to tell me कि मैम हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, he is running so like हम नहीं कर पाएंगे ये job.
Right.
So this is a challenge even.
Challenges have mothers and wives, you know, who because you don't get help, house help, आपकी you know they trouble you. So you had to quit your job, right?
Yes, I just quit my job, especially for my child. I was mentally exhausted. You counsel, like I just used to come to you. You used to counsel me. ठीक है होता है. This is for some time being. You have to sacrifice something. I sacrificed my job. I sacrifice my time, personal time. I sacrifice my screen time because such kind of child, they are highly affected by screen and all. So I used to keep my phone aside. किसी का फोन आता था, मिस कॉल एंड एवरीथिंग, आई नेवर यूज्ड टू रिस्पॉन्ड. मॉर्निंग में व्हेन ही इज कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम स्कूल एंड व्हेन ही इज स्लीपिंग नाइट में, then I used to touch my phone. And we both the parents, we have shut down our television for around like 4 to 5 months. We haven't seen कि क्या series आ रहा है, क्या song आ रहा है. We don't know about the screen. We also just compromise on such kind of thing. And in our free time, you recommended us to play with him, give him a time, give him some activities or anything. You just involve with your child. You just give your time to your child. So this is what I followed. You told me about the screen. I just made zero screen. I just cut down sugar in food habits, whatever you told me about the fast food and other things. I just followed those things. And apart from that, whatever instruction you gave me. So these all things, they supported me. Your instruction, your team, your environment. And after like when he was going to recover, right, तो जब वो stage आ रहा था ending वाला, तो he used to love coming here. And still he is missing like Diksha, Priya and Shaurya. He is still missing, you know. अभी भी वो बोलता है, Mama, please take me to that Diksha के पास. Please take me to Diksha के पास. I said, okay, Baba, we will go someday. So still he is missing.
As a mother, I remember you used to always ask me, मैम ये अपने normal age के साथ integrate तो हो जाएगा, ये normal school तो जा पाएगा.
I was so worried.
I was so scared and so worried. So does it make you proud?
Yes, ma'am. Last year I remember, you know, he was rejected from 3 schools. And the 4th one, I tried कि होगा कि नहीं होगा. We were shattered, you know, कि क्या होगा, मतलब इसका कुछ फ्यूचर है कि नहीं है. The day I remember last year, we were struggling for his admission. The same time, you supported us. We had some like classes before admission. For pre-going like admission test and all, you supported us. Like you made you guided me there. What questions they are going to ask you, what behavior you have to show there. So after my 3rd assessment, I said कि नहीं, whatever Ekta ma'am has guided us, we will follow same instruction. And we were success in that, right? तो उसका 4th स्कूल में एडमिशन हुआ एंड वी वे वेरी हैप्पी. उसके बाद भी यू गाइडेड अस कि उसको क्या करना है. ही वाज नॉट रेडी टू, लाइक ही वाज हाइपर एक्टिव स्टिल, उसका एडमिशन होने के बाद भी. तो यू गाइडेड मी व्हाट टू डू. वो कैसे बैठेगा क्लासरूम में, चेयर पे कैसे बैठेगा, हाउ ही विल फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शन, हाउ ही विल टेक लाइक थिंग्स, वहां पे लोगों के साथ कैसे मर्ज करेगा. यू गाइडेड मी, एंड विद इन अ 1 year span of time, like he's this to this. Even people cannot recognize him कि वो hyperactive था भी. He had sensory issue. He was speech delay. Like he had speech delay. Like nobody can recognize him. अभी तो कोई भी नहीं बोल सकता. Nobody can.
Right. Because I remember उसका एडमिशन होने के बाद उसको कैसे socially, because he was not used to
Yes.
going to a big school and handling himself in such a big crowd. It can be overwhelming for any child.
Yeah.
So and then the therapy जो classes उसके बाद हो रही थी. We were working on all those issues. And to help him adjust it. And he really showed tremendously good progress.
And also you just guided, like बीच में you told कि just put him to some swimming classes के लिए. तो उसका भी just we found he is interested in swimming and he loves swimming, you know. And after that I just indulged him to some music classes. Like I just started, I just bought this Alexa. I thought कि चलो Alexa play करते हैं. He just enjoyed this music and all. So उससे भी he just recovered on, he just worked on his speech part, right? So he just started clearing his sentences. So it helped me a lot after he was in school. उसके बाद भी in building his overall personality, वो add on थी मेरे लिए चीजें.
What would your advice be to mothers who face this dilemma कि काम छोड़े कि नहीं छोड़े, जिनके बच्चे स्पेक्ट्रम में हैं और they are having sensory issues or they are hyperactive? So a lot of time, because ultimately mother is the primary caregiver.
Yeah.
So this challenge comes on the head of the mother.
Yeah.
Whether you have to choose between your career and your child.
Yeah.
What has your experience taught you? Are you happy that you took that decision at that time?
Yeah, I am so happy. But things differ parents to parents. If you have government job or the job, you cannot leave. So that is tough for other parents to take such kind of decision. But if possibilities are there, just quit your job and concentrate on your child for a year or two. And after that, you can start your career again if he is normal. But if you can't, just search such kind of job like where you can give time to your child, and do call your supporting hands, your parents or whosoever can help you, because these kind of child, they need a people, you know. We used to live in a nuclear family, so we really face challenges. But agar if you have somebody there, you can call them so that you can continue your job also, and in meanwhile you're working, they can give their time to your child, and other time you can support your child, right? So I will not advise to quit. If possibilities are there, you ask for the help from your near and dear one, whosoever can support you. Otherwise, if you don't have anything, any option left, what I did, I just quit my job. I just sacrificed my career just for my child, and I'm so happy, and that is a worth for me. I am not feeling guilty. In starting month, I was in depression why I left my job, but I used to advise, this is a temporary phase that you need to take such decision. Otherwise, it will be like blunder for your lifetime. So it's better कि पहले हम starting की चीजें manage कर ले, रेस्ट ऑफ द चीजें मतलब हाँ यस. सो
कुछ चीजें आपने ऐसी करी, मेडिटेशन हो गया, योगा हो गया. व्हाट डू यू थिंक योर पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस और जर्नी हैज टॉट यू कि क्या चीजें जब व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग लो, व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग कि क्यों क्विट कर दिया जॉब, आई वाज डूइंग सो वेल एट वर्क एंड यू नो थिंग्स लाइक दैट, कभी हमारा बच्चा ठीक होगा कि नहीं, व्हेन विल ऑल दिस एंड विल इट एवर एंड. जब आप इन चीज़ों को फेस कर रहे होते हो, इट्स नॉट इजी, यू नो।
No.
जो सोशल स्टिग्मा आपने बताया, जो सोशल बुलिंग,
Yeah.
जो आप भी मुझसे कई बार डिस्कस
हाँ
करते थे
जी।
कि कविश को
जी।
फेस करना पड़ रहा
हाँ।
है, वो बेचारा रोते हुए आपके
हाँ।
पास आता था और आपको खुद बहुत यूज्ड टू फील सो बैड दैट अदर चिल्ड्रन are bullying him. So what, as a example, you are such a, I would say you're an inspiring mother, you're an inspiring woman, a very, very strong person. And what would you suggest to other members? Because we are doing this podcast with the intent of helping so many other mothers out there who probably need to hear it.
Yes, because see, they haven't. Whosoever is new to this field, I have experience. I have faced the challenges and all. So what I would like to recommend, just keep patience and ignore other whatever people are telling. You know, because the thing is that last में you have to work. किसी के बोलने से कुछ भी नहीं होता है. You are the only one who have to work, or who will be facing जो भी सक्सेस होगा. तो इग्नोर सोसाइटी को, इग्नोर पब्लिक को, एंड योर फ्रेंड्स एंड एवरीबडी इग्नोर. जस्ट टारगेट व्हाट यू हैव टू लाइक work on. कुछ भी होता है, they will not come across, and you have to keep patience is the biggest key of success. What I came across to this journey, and what ma'am you also advised me, and my husband, he also supported me. So ऐसा नहीं है, this is one on one effect है जो आया है. It is teamwork. This is teamwork from ma'am also, and my husband, he also supported
Yes,
me.
I think Kavish's father was always very, very
Yes,
supportive.
he is there.
And whenever he used to come and we used to have our group discussions,
Conversation.
he was always very, very attentive and a very hands-on father. And I think he was a big support.
Yeah. So it will not end up, success will not like come across एक से. This is a combined effect from team also, and your husband also, and your whosoever is known to his exact condition, right? So people should, जो भी बोलना, let them say. This is my first key. I just ignore each and everyone. What I did, if they're telling कि ऐसा है वैसा है, I stopped sending my child there for a time being, because they used to bully my child.
Right.
So what I thought कि थोड़े टाइम के लिए उसको अगर मैं इन चीजों से दूर रखूंगी तो he will erase such kind of behavior, right? तो now he is capable of to do fight, right? तो अभी क्या होता है, if somebody is hitting him, he is hitting back. तुमने मुझे क्यों मारा? Now he is known कि लोग मुझे हिट करते हैं, बोलते हैं. तो now he is also coming कि मम्मा इसने ये कर दिया है. Before I was scared कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. और one incident I will share. I was scared sending him to the school also, because मुझे नहीं पता, he didn't had speech while he was going in primary, pre-primary and play school. So I was worried कि कभी कुछ होता है तो he will not communicate me because he is not speaking. And I had one bad experience. I just came across a video where he was sitting aside in the corner. When I cross-checked with his class teacher, she said कि नहीं, he was disturbing us. This is why we just kept him across. So this is not a good thing, right? So he hasn't told me this by coming home, but now अभी कुछ भी होता है, used to tell क्या करा आज स्कूल में, he is telling mama आज we read ABCD 1 2 3 एंड मानसी मैम ने हमें आज ये कराया. तो आई एम सो हैप्पी. एक साल पहले का फेज और अभी का फेज, इट्स अ टोटल ब्लंडर. नाउ आई एम नॉट वरीड कि ही इज गोइंग स्कूल, उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है, बट मेरे साथ ये चीजें हुई थी. तो आई एम सो हैप्पी कि आई जस्ट लाइक आई केम टू एकता मैम एट द राइट टाइम. and the team what you are having, they are just genius, they are gem, you know. They never said no. अगर मैं कुछ भी बोलती थी स्कूल में भी, like I had some चीजें की just make him practice ना, tomorrow is having this इसका debate section है, something is having. तो each and every employee like they are telling okay ma'am हम कर देंगे, and they just made my child like revision करने के लिए I just gave the content and everything and whatever he is having for next day, तो they used to revise my child, तो उसके लिए मुझे घर पे जाके करना नहीं पड़ता था revision. So this is what add on after going school के बाद भी, तो मेरे लिए बहुत ही सक्सेस और ग्रेट, और I don't have word to explain क्या जर्नी है, and experiences I've already shared. और in future also whosoever parent is watching this video, अगर आपको कोई भी challenges लगता है, if I can support, you can connect with Ekta ma'am और उनसे नंबर लेके you can ask me. I cannot guide you much, but I can share my experience, what I had, so I can add on to that, right?
That is so nice of you, Anu. And I think आपके आज जो फेस पे खुशी है, वो ही देख के I think we are feeling very satisfied. Yes. Because that look of stress and tension has transformed to a look of happiness.
Now I'm so happy. कहीं पे भी अभी even my neighbors are telling यार काविश में कितना change आ गया within a year, you know. मतलब we were not expecting कि वो एक जगह पे बैठेगा, वो अपना फूड अपने से खाएगा, या बर्थडे पार्टी में इफ वी विल सर्व हिम वो अपने से करेगा, ही विल पार्टिसिपेट इन म्यूजिकल चेयर, ही विल पार्टिसिपेट इन पासिंग द पार्सल, उसके बाद भी ही विल गिव द परफॉर्मेंस अगर वो आउट होता है तो. दिस इज मिरेकल फॉर मी. लास्ट मंथ ओनली वी हैड सम फंक्शन पूरे फ्लोर पे एंड he was like doing dance and everything. I said really I haven't expected कि ये दिन भी आएगा मेरे साथ. other children they were enjoying और वो नहीं करता था, and अभी मुझे लगता है everything is normal. So this is a gift from your side, and I'm so happy for this. And what else I should say?
And as you rightly said, it's always a teamwork.
Yeah.
And we have always all the rehab professionals as well as the family.
Yeah.
We work as a team.
And the thing that whosoever you select, na, they are like a gem, you know. You are expertise in this and your experience, you know, who to keep, who to not. So I didn't face like कि हाँ ये मेरा थेरेपी लेती थी, ये नहीं लेगी, अब वो लेगी. Everybody is equal, because sometimes I felt I just used to come एकदम मैम मुझे लगता है वही जो ले रहे थे वही. You said everybody I have trained, everybody is on the same stage. I said ठीक है, it's your decision, ma'am. You just started this journey and it's your decision. Whatever decision you're going to take, this will be the best for me. So I'm satisfied. ठीक है, जिसके साथ भी करेंगे, I'm okay.
Right.
So this is a challenge. वो कभी-कभी लगता है.
Right. But you faced कि
सबने equal कराया, and everybody, by you can say, they are best in everything, you know. तो मुझे कभी चैलेंज फेस नहीं हुआ उसके बाद. जब भी मुझे इश्यू होता है, I just used to come. अभी भी when I'm down, ठीक है, I'm depressed, तो I used to call एकता मैम को कि मैम क्या करना चाहिए. तो यू यूज्ड टू गाइड, ठीक है, विल थिंक, वेट हम लोग करेंगे वर्क ऑन, आप शांत हो जाओ, आप शांत हो, बी काम. Then we are following और वो चीजें हो जाती है. पता नहीं यहाँ पे मिरेकल हो जाता है. मैं आती हूँ, मेरा प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट हो जाता है.
Thank you so much, Anu. It's been such a pleasure talking to you, and I hope कि जो हमारा इंटेंट है, तो बहुत सारे struggling parents, struggling mothers,
I can understand.
सुन के they get some answers. Because you have experienced it, so you know how difficult that journey is. बहुत difficult है, and don't do test and trial at home. Please, I request each and every parent. आप सही जगह पे जाओ, take a guideline and follow each and every instruction, whatever your therapist is giving you. Never ignore their single point also, right? क्योंकि वो सिंगल पॉइंट भी इफेक्ट करता है कुछ एरिया में जिसके लिए वो टारगेट करते हैं. तो इट्स अ कंबाइंड टीम सपोर्ट. तो आपको चीजें फॉलो करनी पड़ेगी और आपको रिजल्ट आएगा. उसके लिए यू हैव टू कीप पेशेंस. पेशेंस इज द बिगेस्ट की ऑफ सक्सेस, जो मैं बोलूंगी. तो पेशेंस नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है, एंड पेशेंस है तो सब कुछ है. और उसके अपार्ट वन मोर सजेशन, यहाँ पे भी जो पेरेंट्स आते थे, जैसे मैं आपको एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर रही हूँ, दे यूज्ड टू, तो मेरा वहां से भी एक एड ऑन हुआ. दे यूज्ड टू टेल मी कि नहीं, पेशेंस रखो, हो जाएगा. मैं आपको आज गाइड कर रही हूँ, उन्होंने मुझे भी किया, जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी थेरेपी लिया हुआ था, एंड दे वर कंटिन्यूइंग
दे टोल्ड मी इट विल बी लाइक यू विल बी सीइंग द डिफरेंस. तो हर जगह से मुझे यहाँ पे सपोर्ट मिला, नॉट इवन विद द टीम, द क्लाइंट्स विच वे कमिंग, उन्होंने भी मुझे सपोर्ट किया. तो नाउ आई एम हैप्पी कि ये इन्वायरमेंट ही एक्चुअली पॉजिटिव है. तो व्हेन यू सिटिंग ऑल्सो वो वर्क करेगा आपको, वो एड ऑन ही होगा वो आपको if you're waiting.
Thank you. So my intent is to create an inclusive society, be there to help the children and the parents, because it's a difficult journey for the parents.
Yeah.
And I've been in this profession for so many years. I have seen it all, you know. So I understand, and I'm able to feel their pain, and that is the reason I want to go one step ahead and help them, be there to support them.
Yes.
And I really want that this should reach other parents, and I hope we are able to answer at least some of their questions.
Yes.
Give them a ray of hope
Yeah.
that therapies help. And
Really
they are
help,
not
ma'am.
never-
Really help, because I can see like अभी help नहीं होता तो I wouldn't have like यहाँ पे मैं नहीं होती.
Right. And it's
I
not
was still
never ending.
struggling.
It's not never ending.
And but you need to take.
Yes.
Don't ignore. Like
Yes. You
people
need
are
to be regular.
maybe lack of knowledge भी हो सकता है. It can be the reason. But if somebody is telling कि कुछ है तो एज अ पेरेंट डोंट इग्नोर, वर्क ऑन दैट. हमें भी स्टार्टिंग में लगा था कि नहीं हमारा बच्चा तो हो नहीं सकता, बट द फैक्ट इज अ फैक्ट, यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट.
Right.
राइट, यू कैन नॉट
You should
इग्नोर.
seek professional help. Understand if
Yeah.
there is a problem or not, and then accordingly take the next
देयर इज
action.
सॉल्यूशन फॉर एवरी प्रॉब्लम. ऐसा नहीं प्रॉब्लम है तो सॉल्यूशन भी है, एंड सॉल्यूशन है तो थेरेपीज भी है. तो जस्ट गो, जस्ट थिंक पॉजिटिव एंड गो प्लीज.
Thank you, Anu.
Thank
for
you,
joining
ma'am.
us.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy. और इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो कभी भी मुझे सपोर्ट की जरूरत होगी, आई विल डू कॉल यू एंड आई विल डिस्टर्ब यू.
Anytime, anytime. I'm always there for you. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.